Do you want to learn Spanish and live in Mexico? I have 100% conversation courses to give you the tools you need to thrive in Spanish. I didn't speak any English at all when I decided to make videos for YouTube in English, when my native language is Spanish. By doing this, I learned that making my videos in English, preparing what I want to say, and a lot of repetition helped me reach the conversational level I have now. But what exactly did I do? I forced myself to formulate my thoughts. I looked up vocabulary and repeated out loud the idea I wanted to say. This helped cemented phrases in my mind. In this course, I'll give you all the materials and vocabulary lists for each live class via video chat. We'll also be in contact between classes using a friendly app facilitating video discussions between your classmates, your teacher, and you. Learning a language is not an easy task. I understand that. I've been teaching Spanish for a long time, and I have a YouTube channel where I always talk about how amazing Mexico is. I know a lot of people who watch my channel are interested in visiting or living in Mexico, but they don't speak Spanish yet, or they aren't confident in their Spanish abilities. And I thought, I should teach this technique to make them feel ready not only with the culture, but with the language as well. If you're interested, go to Karencita.com, answer a quiz, and book a course with me. Check out my YouTube channel as well, where I always speak about how beautiful Mexico is.